Hi, I'm Peter Parrot, and this is First Maths. Today we're going to look at adding several small numbers. Our first part of this lesson, looking at our mental learning objective, is you can show instant recall of your number bonds up to 20. And then, so now we're going to practice our number bonds for 15. I'm going to give you a number, and then you can either write it down, use a number fan, or shout out, depending on what your teacher tells you, to make it into 15. What do I need to add to 10 to make it 15? What do I need to add to 10 to make it into 15? That's right. I needed to add a 5. Bravo! Next question. What do I need to add to 1 to make it equal 15? What do I need to add to 1 to make it equal 15? The answer, of course, is 14. Woo! Well done. Okay, what do I need to add to 11 to make it into 15? What do I add to 11 to make it into 15? The answer there is 4. What do I need to add to this number, 3, to make it equal 15? 3 plus what makes 15? The answer is 12. Okay, this time is, what do I need to add to 8 to make it equal 15? The answer, of course, was 7. What do I need to add to 7 to make 15? The answer there, of course, is 8. What do I need to add to 1 to make 15? The answer was 14. Mental learning objectives. I can show instant recall of my number bonds to 20. Now we're looking at the main learning objective. I can look for pairs or trios which make 10. When I add, I start with the largest number, and I always look for doubles. The key idea is you can add efficiently by looking for pairs or trios which add to 10. Start with the largest number and look for doubles. Today, the class is going to learn a useful trick to help adding several small numbers together. So, first number thing is, could you as a class choose 4 or 5 single-digit numbers and write them on the whiteboard? Or you could draw them like this in a box. The first job is spend a few minutes adding those numbers in your head. I won't ask you for your answer. I'll ask you how you did it. You can pause the video. Welcome back. Did you look for pairs or trios, threes, that add up to 10. That makes it much easier to add. Look again at the numbers. Do any add up to 10? To help you add more, cross out the numbers you have already used. Write the answers at the bottom of the box, or in your book. Now, add the tens and any spare numbers. This is a way of adding up using more than two numbers. The main learning objective today was I can look for pairs or trios which make 10. When I add, I start with the largest number and I look for doubles. In this plenary, we shall finish with another game. Write another 5 numbers down. Or maybe your teacher will give you 5 numbers. After looking at the 5 numbers, tell the person next to you the final answer. How did you find the activity? Did you like it? Did you like it so much that you will give me a like in my video below? You can add several small numbers efficiently by looking for pairs or trios which add up to 10. You can start with the largest number and look for doubles. Did you learn this from this lesson? If you do like this video, please like it down here. If you really liked this video and would like to subscribe, please do press my subscribe button now, and then you will always know when I get another video, and you will be able to practice even more maths. Okay, have a great day. Goodbye.